Back in 2008, I wanted a vehicle that I could camp out in, but without anyone knowing it from the outside. So I used that excuse to own a 1982 Series III Land Rover 109. I had always wanted one of these. They are good old rugged workhorses and had many uses over the decades. They were four-wheel drive off-road farm vehicles, and they had a lot of use by the military. This one wasn't roadworthy at the time when I got it. I borrowed a friend's truck and brought it home in the back. Then the restoration began. Land Rovers are like Meccano sets. That whole window frame is just held on by two bolts. I was swapping out those wheels for the traditional Land Rover style wheels, and then I painted them black just with underseal. I think that looks so much better, don't you? The 109 wasn't quite long enough in the back to fit the bed, so I had to build it on the top of the bulkhead like that, so that it was a comfortable length for me. I realised once I'd got a mattress on there, it would be interesting trying to get on and off that bed being so close to the roof. But I could do it. I was flexible. I wanted to make this Land Rover look like it was military. I liked the way the military ones looked. So I went to the Army Surplus store and I got the green paint. That mattress came from an old broken down caravan. The good thing about the bed being so high is you can fit a lot of things underneath. Well, I was just about ready to go. The sides and the roof had interior lining around it. I had a little chair and table at the far end to have my breakfast. I installed a caravan leisure battery in one of the cubbies to give me some power for my laptop and things at night. This screen acts like a curtain to close off the front. The rear had actual curtains, and the laptop sat there, so I could watch an episode of Dad's Army or something before I went to sleep. Old Land Rovers have a very wide turn circle. I could never get round that corner in one hit.